John Keells Holdings is the largest listed conglomerate in Sri Lanka. We are the biggest hotelier in the country, run the largest destination management business, and have significant operations in food and beverage manufacturing and retail. We are also a significant player in logistics and shipping, IT, finance, property, and plantation services. We are also proud to lead the way in being a socially responsible corporate citizen. Our journey to ingrain triple bottom line focus in a structured manner commenced in 2009. Through innovation, dedicated sustainability champions in our businesses, quarterly sustainability performance assessments, awareness creation, IT systems for tracking and monitoring, and internal sustainability assurance, we continue to entrench sustainability within the group's DNA. Our operations, spanning 7 industry groups, could be seen as having a significant impact on the environment. For example, our transportation and travel arms, which are some of the country's largest such privately owned businesses, might be seen as part of the problem.
As a company, we have over 600 vehicles, which has a carbon footprint of 4,200 metric tons, which we are offsetting completely. We are also the only travel company in Asia to have a 100% carbon neutral fleet. Going forward, our objective is to reduce this carbon footprint by 5% per annum.
This green fleet of cars is not only part of the solution, but it is also a symbol of the John Keells Group's commitment to sustainability. At John Keells, sustainability is part of our ethos. We are committed to actively support and reward sustainable practices at every level across our businesses. We have found the benefits of these practices to be tangible and profitable, and believe that as we continue on this path, we will be further rewarded with robust businesses that stay relevant in the future and continue to make our employees proud of being part of an organization whose commitment to make a difference is palpable. Altogether, the group generates a carbon footprint of around 70,000 metric tons per annum. Our power requirements count for a significant part of this. As such, energy conservation and management are vital elements of our sustainability efforts. The group has invested in building management systems, replacement of incandescent lighting with CFL and LED fixtures, variable speed drives, cogeneration, as well as renewable energy projects. Water is another resource we focus on. Whilst reducing water usage when possible, we also try to make the most of the water that we use. All our operations using significant amounts of water currently have in place or are in the process of installing effluent treatment plants to ensure that a maximum amount of water is recycled without tapping into blue water resources. This organic garden at Cinnamon Lodge, using purified wastewater, supplies fresh organic produce to our restaurants, also reducing our transportation footprint. This man-made lake next to the Cinnamon Wild Hotel in Yala is also part of our efforts to support nature and wildlife.
We release purified wastewater from the hotel to this man-made lake. As you can see, this lake is very clean and full of fish. This lake also serves as an important water source for wildlife.
Approximately 43% of the total waste generated by the group is reused, recovered or recycled. As well as using compost in our gardens, food waste is also used to generate biogas, which is used to cook meals in the staff kitchens in the hotels. As one of the biggest players in the regional leisure industry, our commitment to protecting wildlife and biodiversity is not merely a sound business practice, but a passion. Our leopard conservation project near the Yala National Park enables us to protect livestock from leopard attacks, which in turn ensures that farmers don't kill leopards to protect their cattle. But possibly the most important link in the sustainability chain is the human element. Our workforce of over 13,000 employees is our most valuable asset. Their commitment to sustainability helps us continue to achieve even more lofty goals.
I've been with the John Keells Group for the past 5 years. And why I like it here is because we not only focus on profits and returns, but also the community and the environment. Just a few months ago, I was able to help out at an eye camp which had more than 300 people. That is why I feel John Keells is more than just a workplace.
John Keells ensures safe working conditions throughout our supply chain and that employees are treated with respect and dignity. Each employee receives on average 46 hours of training a year, giving us a highly skilled and professional workforce. Nearly 30,000 people have benefited through our various CSR and community outreach projects. Besides generating goodwill, this also has a broader impact on communities and our business. Local purchasing of materials and services and backward integration has stimulated local economies, saved money, and reduced our transportation footprint. This is Halmilaber, a remote village adopted by the group which had no access to electricity. One of our projects here provided street lighting using renewable energy, finding a sustainable solution to their needs. This BPO operation in Sinigama, a joint venture with John Keells, provides professional employment for youth from this and surrounding villages. This is a great example of how business synergies can be used to improve the quality of life within rural communities. At John Keells, we understand that our prosperity is tied to the environment and the communities in which we live and work. And we believe that sustainability is an investment in a shared future. Every year, we achieve new milestones and strive to set more ambitious goals for the future. Come, join hands with us towards making this a better, more sustainable world for everyone.